In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Soundpad to Discord, ensuring you get the best audio experience possible during your chats and interactions. Whether you're gaming with friends or hosting a virtual meetup, having clear and reliable audio can make all the difference. Let's get started on making sure everything is set up perfectly for your needs. First, you'll want to ensure that the Soundpad application is installed on your computer. If you haven't installed it yet, simply navigate to the official website at lepsoft.com. Once there, find the download button and click on it. This will initiate the download process, and from there you can install the software by following the on-screen prompts. With Soundpad now installed, let's open the application. Once it's running, head over to the menu bar at the top and click on File. From the drop-down menu, select Preferences, which will open a new window where you can manage your settings. In the Preferences window, look for the Devices section and click on it. Here you'll see a list of available audio devices. It's important to choose the device you'd like to use, ensuring that the status is showing as good. Selecting the right device here is crucial as it sets the foundation for how Soundpad will interact with Discord later. Once you've made your choice and confirmed the status is good, click on Apply and then OK to save your settings. Next, we'll move over to Discord. Open your web browser and go to discord.com. Click on the Login button and enter your email address and password. Once logged in, look for the Settings icon, typically located in the bottom right corner of your screen, and click on it. In the Settings menu, find and click on Voice and Video. This section allows you to control the input and output devices for audio on Discord. Look for the drop-down menu labeled Input Device. It's very important to select the same audio device here that you chose earlier in Soundpad. This ensures that both applications are working in harmony and that there aren't any conflicts in audio input. By following these steps, you've now successfully connected Soundpad to Discord. This setup will allow you to use audio from Soundpad during your Discord sessions, providing a seamless and enhanced audio experience. Whether you're sharing music, sound effects, or any other audio clips, this connection is key to maintaining high-quality audio. Thanks for tuning in today, and I hope this setup guide was helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out in the comments section below. Happy chatting and enjoy your newly enhanced audio setup.